How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test number 2. And guys, nobody's in the call today because I haven't talked to somebody we doing this smoke alarm test too, and we're going to be doing it just me. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before we get right into today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, answer me in the comments or chat me on Discord as well too. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get right into today's video, and guys, let's get started the smoke alarm. So first of all, before we get right into the smoke alarm, I'll just go ahead. I just actually pulled up the live subscriber counter. So apparently right now we've officially got 36 subscribers. So everything is on live. So here's the channel growth. That is the subscriber total. And here's the homepage, what it looks like. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe to System Sensor 250. So, anyways guys, again, we have the first alert, CO400 carbon monoxide alarm. So there you go, we're doing the same thing again. So everything is a little bit of a mess, but not quite too bad. Should move this during the video. So anyways, we will go ahead and get right into the test in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and close the door because it's really loud and for some reason. Yeah, so anyways, there's another smoke alarm. I'm not sure what's the model of this thing, so let me go ahead and check this out. So it is a Family Guard FG-AAAD. Or I should say FG-888D. That would be better. So, anyways, we're gonna be doing a carbon monoxide alarm, CO400, and maybe the next video we will tested the FG-888D. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get right into the test. Alright, so test silent. So anyways, let's go ahead and press it, and we're going to go ahead and activate. So here we go, in 3, 2, 1. Let me set it on the table. Stay back. Warning, all headphone users, please be aware of this test is very loud, so all headphone users just be aware of. So that was just the first test, so we'll go ahead and do the second test. Here we go. All headphones users, please be aware of this smoke alarm is going to be test loud. Enjoy. Stay back. Well, what do you think of the smoke alarm test so far? Let me know through the comments. I'll probably send you the. I'll go ahead and send you the link in the description for the smoke alarm test video, so you guys might be able to get it whenever you want. Anyways, that's gonna be end up today's video of the smoke alarm test 2. I'll plan out that we're gonna be doing the smoke alarm test number 3. Sorry, my mom's gonna call me. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end up today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, contact me in the comments or chime me on Discord as well too. Anyways guys, please don't forget to check out my latest video through the homepage as well too. And guys, please don't forget to check out the Greenville updates. Greenville has so many updates in Roblox. If you guys want to check out the Greenville updates, go to Discord and join Greenville. Again, please stay tuned for the episode Smoke Alarm Test 3 will be coming up in the future. And same thing, we will do the Midland Alarm Test number 2 in the next video as well too. So, anyways, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the